Hello friends, I am your instructor Ghulam Mustafa from Data Analytics Consulting, and today I will let you know about different techniques to apply sum with Microsoft Excel. Now let's get started. This is our small simple database from January to June, and we want to get the resultant value for every month. How I will do it? Now let's move into the cell now let's move into the cell B15 where I want to apply the sum formula. Then go into the formula bar. Although you can apply the formula in B15 as well, but I would recommend you go to the formula bar. Apply the sum is equal to sum. Then press tab. Then you will move inside your formula. Then select the range for which you want to get the result. How you will select your range? Control Shift down arrow, your whole range will be selected. Then press enter. You will get your result from January, for the range from B3 to the B14. Now you want to get the result for other months as well. Just drag it to the right, you will get your desired results easily. This is the first technique. Now let's move into the second technique, by which you will apply this formula into the multiple cells with single click. How I will do it? Just go into the formula bar. Initially you have to select the whole cells where you want to apply the formula. Then go into the formula bar, apply sum, press tab, your formula will be open. Then select the range for the first cell only. How I will do it? By press Ctrl Shift down arrow, then press Ctrl Enter. After press Ctrl Enter, you will see that you can get your desired value for the multiple cells. This is the second technique. Now let's move into the third technique. What is that technique? Initially you have to select the whole cells where you want to apply the formula. Go into the home tab, then go into the auto sum option. As you can see, there is a small drop down. As I click over there, there are multiple arithmetic operations that can be done through single click, but in this scope we will only apply auto sum option. I will click over there. As you can see, I click over there, I get the desired result in single click. This is the third technique. Let's move into the shortcut for it. What is the shortcut? Just select the whole cells where you want to apply the formula and apply its shortcut, that is alt is equal to. Your result will be generated within a single click. Now let's move into the last technique. What is the last technique? Just select the cells where you want to get your result and go into the status bar. This is your status bar, and you can see other than sum, there are other multiple arithmetic operations as well, like average, count, numerical count, sum, etc. And you can see the value is same as per your formula as well. And you can customize it as well. How you will customize? Right click over there, and let's say you want to add minimum and maximum as well. Now you can see your status bar has been customized as per your own requirement. That's the end of today's video. Inshallah, I will come up with more videos from beginner to the advanced level Microsoft Excel. Just give your feedback so that I may revamp and design videos as per your own request. Thank you very much.